Ever dreamt of a pool that combines the elegance of Roman designs with a modern twist? Dive into the Pompano Beach, our unique take on the classic Roman pool shape. Traditionally, Roman pools are rectangular with curved ends. But we've added a splash of innovation. The Pompano Beach boasts curved sides, giving swimmers more space to spread out in its oval layout. A wide set of entry steps complemented by a curved deep-end bench. Perfect spots to relax and unwind. Why choose the Pompano Beach? It's a familiar design. A shallow to deep end layout that's comfortable and loved by many. Perfect depth. Wade out to its maximum depth of 5 feet 8 inches, not too deep, ensuring comfort for most swimmers. Spacious and inviting. With a total size of 306 square feet and a water volume of 9,500 gallons, it's ideal for medium and large-sized backyards. Room for fun. Plenty of space for patio furniture, ensuring your guests can lounge in style while enjoying the stunning views of this traditional fiberglass swimming pool. So, if you're looking for a pool that's both spacious and soothing, the Pompano Beach is your answer. Dive into its calm waters and let it beckon you into its mesmerizing blue embrace. Ready to make a splash in your backyard? Contact us to get in touch with one of our dealers. We'd love to give you a free estimate today. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.